Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha from Nesiya Crochet, and today we are going to learn how to make this top but in white and yellow color combination. For this we will take super thin cotton yarn, white and yellow. I am taking the light yellow shade and white. For this we will use 4.0 mm hook, and to begin we will make chain 30, and it depends on you, whatever length you want, whatever bust size you have, you can increase the chain length or top length accordingly. I am making it chain 30, and this will cover until your waist area, like your complete your breast part, half front body it will cover, and the tummy part we will increase accordingly later on, but this chain 30 will cover from your upper breast to lower breast. Now once you are done with chain 30, we will do start doing double crochet, like skip chain 2, and from the third chain we will do double crochet throughout the row, throughout the chain. So I will meet you at the end. So here I am done with row 1 of double crochet. Now we will turn our work and make second row of double crochet only, and we will make total 30 double crochets in each row. Just like this we will do as many rows as we want. You just need to measure your bust area, and accordingly you can increase the chain count. For front part I am doing it with double crochet, and for back I will do it a little mesh. So I will do something like net from the, I will give net design, mat design for back side. So for that we will do one double crochet and one chain, and one double crochet in next, not directly in next loop, but we will skip one loop, just like this. One double crochet, skip one, chain one, and in second loop we will do another double crochet. So one double crochet, one chain, skip one loop, and in next loop we will do another double crochet. So this pattern we will follow for the back part. If you don't want it to be very visible, or the net design you don't want for the back side, if you want it completely covered, then you can continue doing double crochet or single crochet, whatever you want. So this is how I will do entire back part. Here I am done with the back part, and I have joined both the sides with one single crochet. If you don't know how to join it, in previous video of top I have shown how we can join the sides of a top. And then this is the bottom part. Now this is the tummy part I am doing. For tummy part also I will be doing the same, just like I have done for the back side. I will be doing this net design for the tummy part as well. But before that, to give it a finishing, we will do one double crochet for every stitch, to both the sides, like bottom of this top and to top of this top. We will cover it with one single crochet in each stitch, just like this. And here I am done with both side boundary, top and bottom of the top. I have covered with one single crochet, and to the bottom side we will increase with this net pattern that we have done at the back. We will just follow the same for the bottom. You can do as much length as you want. I want it to be cropped, so until belly, like belly button I am doing it. So we will follow same pattern, like one double crochet, one chain, skip one, and another double crochet in next loop. So if you want it to be, not to be very mesh, if you want it to be covered completely, your tummy to be covered completely, you can just do one double crochet. And now I am done with one sleeve, and the bottom part I have covered completely. Now for the sleeves, it is the main part. It will give a complete new look and different look, a beautiful look to the top. So I will tell you how to do the leaves. We will just skip 11 chains from both the sides, and from the 12th chain we will attach our yellow yarn, and then we will do chain 60. So this length of the shoulder strip depends on whatever neckline you want, how deep you want it. If you want it to be less deep, so you can make it just count of 50. I am doing it a little deep, so I will do it count of 60, chain 60. So once we are done with chain 60, to the other side again we will skip 11 stitches, and on 12th stitch we will go and join this chain. Now here in 12th stitch we will count the stitch, skip 11, and in 12th stitch we will just join this. Now we are done with the joining. In next two loops we will do one slip stitch, since we are going to make double crochets all the way around the chain. So we will have to skip 2 stitches by doing one slip knot in each stitch, and then we will do one double crochet in each of the stitch. Like in all the 60 chain stitches we will do one double crochet in each of the stitch, and just like this we will make double crochet in each stitch, and I'll meet you at the end. So here I'm done with the first row. Now we will skip one and join this row with a slip knot to the next loop of the top, and again 2 slip knots we will do in the next 2 loops, and we will start working the net design just like we did for the back and tummy area. We will again follow the same pattern for the sleeves as well, like 1 double crochet, skip 1, and 1 chain, and then double crochet in the next one. So this is how we will do, but here until 11 rows we will increase. So here I will increase after every 6 stitch. So this is going to be the pattern. In this row we will increase 1 double crochet after every 6 stitches, just like this, like 1 double crochet. How we will increase? In the same loop we will do another double crochet. So here now we will do all the rows like this. Like after 6 I have increased in second row, and then after 7 I will increase double crochet, and then in next row I will increase after 8, and then in next row after 9, and then after 10, after 11. So we will do it until we reach the row number 13th. We will do this, and then after increasing we will just do 2 rows of 1 double crochet normally, like without increase we will do 2 rows, and then we will do a decrease like this. Like in every loop we will do 1 double crochet. We will not skip one, we will not do chain one. In every loop we will just do 1 double crochet, just like I did in the video. And now we will do 1 decrease double crochet in every 2 stitches, like taking 2 stitches together and doing 1 double crochet, taking 2 stitches together and doing 1 double crochet, just like I'm doing in the video. I hope you are able to see in the video how am I doing. So we will do this to give a balloon look to the sleeves, right? So basically here we are decreasing. So once we decrease we will cover the corners of the sleeves with 2 rows of double crochet after doing this decrease row. Now I am done with this row completely. it looks like this. So we have got the shape of the sleeves that just like we want to be. Now we will do one double crochet in each of the loop. We are not doing any increase, we are not doing any decrease. We will just cover the entire boundary with one double crochet, just like this. And I will do two such rows to give a very puffy look to the sleeves. We will do two such rows. So I'm done with two rows, and here I am done with both the sleeves. This is how the sleeves is going to look, super puffy, super cute. And now we will do the boundaries all over the neck area, and the boundary color should be in contrast, right? If the white area is there, you will do yellow boundary on that. If yellow area is there, you will do white boundary on that. So bottom at the white area we will do yellow boundary, and at the shoulder also I will most likely do white boundary or yellow, any I can choose. Since I will do white boundary on the sleeves, so I will choose for the neckline also white boundary only. So for boundary I will do like five single crochet in 5 stitches, and then we will do one single crochet in 6th stitch, chain 2, and one single crochet in same stitch. So here I am showing you how we can do the boundary. 5 single crochet in 5 stitches, chain 2, and one single crochet in same stitch. So it will give a pointed look, and it will give a nice boundary, not just normal boundary of single crochets, but it will give a different pattern of boundaries to the edge, to the corners of the top. So 5 single crochet, chain 2, and one single crochet in the same loop. Again 5 single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet in same loop, and it is going to look very beautiful at the end. Let me show you the end result of this boundary. Let's just complete one sleeve for you. So here I'm done with boundary. See it, this is how it looks, and it looks very beautiful. Just like this we'll do the neck area, another sleeve, and the uh, bottom area of the top. So I'm done with it. Yellow I have done for the neck, and for the bottom I have done yellow again. For the sleeves only I have done the white boundary. I tried white on the neckline also, but it did not look very good, so I did yellow instead. Now the front part, we will make a little wrinkle, or we will just give it a shape like this at the neck part. For that I have made one flower, and I will just attach it like this, like gathering 2-3 rows together, and then making a knot of this flower, so that the neckline should give a little pointed inverted look, or you can say little V look. While you will wear it, whenever you will wear it, you will see the difference of the neckline. It will not just be square, but from the center it will be little pointed, to inward direction, and it will look really very beautiful. Just secure the remaining yarn. It should not be visible. Please secure it very properly, and make 2-3 knots so that it won't get detached while you will wash it. So I have attached this cute little flower to it, and it looks very beautiful now. So this is our final top look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is how it looks while I wear it. It looks super great. If you want tutorial of any of these items like bag or the skirt, let me know. I will upload in next video. Do comment me. And the complete outfit I made for this customer, and it looks so beautiful, so beautiful. And this is the back side of the top. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe for more videos.